How's it going, guys? Robin here from M-Tech Performance. Today we have Aaron's badass 911 Carrera 4S and for some M-Tech goodies. First thing first, we're gonna go ahead and get these H&R lowering springs slapped on the vehicle and get rid of that wheel gap. You know, of course, that's just, no bueno, papi. So we're gonna get rid of that wheel gap with the H&R lowering springs, get it nice and low, sitting right, no rubbing, no issues. Car's still gonna drive perfectly fine. It's not a full body coilover, just an H&R spring. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and start the performance side of things. This is where we slap our M-Tech downpipes on, and then as well as a stage 2 tune on 93.